today, correct?
Yes, that's right. I'm so tired from the trip.
No worries, Mom. You'll be able to relax in no time. May I kindly ask for your valid ID?
Here it is.
Thank you, ma'am. Everything is set. Here's your ticket, ma'am, from room 208. The elevator is to the left side. If you need anything else, just dial 0.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, good morning. I'd like to check out. My name is Ira Lopez from room 208.
Okay, Ma'am Ira, let me check your record. Okay, tonight's stay, no extra charges.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. You can now get your deposit worth 500 pesos. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, super. The bed is very comfortable.
We're so glad to hear that. Should check out your seats. Everything is good.
Yes, I'll definitely come back with this hotel soon.
We'll be happy to welcome you again, Ma'am Ira. Take care and safe travel.
Oh, eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.